everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and in today's video, in my keto vlog, as well as doing my weigh-in, I just wanted to share with you some breakfast ideas that are keto friendly. And keto friendly, if those of you that haven't heard the whole diet craze that's going on at the moment, I mean, it's not a new diet, it's basically the Atkins diet that's just been renamed and repackaged to sound cool again. So it's basically a low carb diet. So you pretty much are eliminating all sugars in your diet. Now sugars also include bread, pasta, cereal, rice, all of that sort of thing. Anything that's pretty high carbohydrate is high sugar as well. It doesn't always have to be your normal sweet kind of food. Bread, pasta, rice, all of that sort of thing, that is also high in sugar. So it's basically just eliminating all of that sort of processed food out of your diet and just sticking to meat, eggs, fat, dairy, a little bit of dairy, like as far as cheese, butter, and cream. Not a lot of milk, because milk's a lot higher in carbohydrates than cream. But yeah, I mean, if you're interested in doing it and you don't know anything about it, there is a world of knowledge on the internet. So if you think it may be a diet that would suit your lifestyle, definitely check it out, look it up, find out your own information to see if it would suit you. But yeah, I just know for me personally, it definitely suits my body, the way my body responds to carbohydrates. Like when I eat a lot of carbohydrates, I get very bloated, I get really lethargic and sleepy, and I just know it doesn't suit my body. As much as I love them, absolutely love carbs, but yeah, I just know I don't function well on them. So this diet really suits me. I always find I have a lot more energy and I see weight loss results really quickly when I stick to it. So yeah, so this video, I just wanted to share with you some breakfast ideas that you can have while you're doing keto. Now, I don't have a lot of breakfast ideas this week because I honestly thought I'd be eating breakfast every morning, but I just haven't been feeling hungry in the mornings. And I'm not sure if it's to do with this new tea that I've been drinking as well. So yeah, I've been finding that I'm not even hungry until about midday, say 12 o'clock, 12:30. I'm not even feeling hungry. So for me, I'm just eating, I'm listening to my body and just eating when I'm actually hungry, rather than going, okay, I've woken up, it's time for breakfast, whether I'm hungry or not. So yeah, I've pretty much been doing that, listening to my body. And this tea that I've just started drinking as well, I have a feeling may be helping with that period from waking up till lunchtime to suppress the appetite and not really make me feel hungry as well. So I'll show you the tea I've been drinking, and I'll show you a breakfast that I'm making today. Now it's pretty much lunchtime today on a Saturday, so I'm just making breakfast now for me and the kids. But yeah, like I said, I'm just not really eating anything as soon as I get up, apart from making this tea. So I'll show you the tea now. So just before Christmas, a company called Teami contacted me to see if I wanted to try out some of their teas. And now normally I'm not really a herbal tea type person. Like, I don't normally like them, like the chamomile teas and all of that sort of thing. My husband's right into them, so we've always got them in the house. But I haven't really found any that I actually enjoy drinking, apart from jasmine tea. Told me about some of the teas that they do. And in particular, I was really interested in, they had like a detox type combination of teas. And with me starting the keto diet and the whole new year and a whole new me, I thought, oh, that may be suitable to me, because yeah, I mean, definitely when you've been eating a lot of crap over Christmas and a lot of processed stuff, you definitely do need a detoxing. So the teas that they've sent me as part of their detox plan were this one here, which is a Teami Skinny, and this is to help you on your weight loss journey. Like, it's to help you lose weight. It helps to suppress your appetite, increase your metabolism, and all of that sort of thing. So this is the one you have in the morning, and this is the one I've been having every morning. Definitely does suppress my appetite, because like I said, I wake up at about 6 and I'm not even hungry until about 12:30, between 12 and 1 o'clock, I'd say, is the first time I actually eat after having one of these teas. So that's the first one. It's the Teami Skinny Tea. And then this one you have every morning. And then this one here is the Teami Colon Cleanse. And this one you have at night every second day. So on the first day, you just have that in the morning. Then on the second day, you have this in the morning and then one of these at night. And let me tell you, being a colon cleanse tea, it definitely does work. It really cleans you out and cleans out all the toxins and rubbish in your system. So yeah, this has definitely worked for me. And for someone that doesn't like the taste of herbal teas, this is my favorite. This is actually delicious. I enjoy this either hot or cold. Hot is really nice as well, but then when you let it go cold, put it in the fridge, put a couple of ice cubes in, it's really refreshing. And especially when you're doing keto, my mouth tends to always feel a little bit gluggy because you're eating more fattier foods. This sort of thing, especially when you have it cold, it's nice and refreshing in your mouth as well. It helps like refresh your mouth out. So yeah, they're the two teas that I've been trying for the last couple of weeks. Well, yeah, for the last 2 weeks now. I started it on the 1st of January. And yeah, I've been really liking them so far. And they're both, for me, that doesn't like herbal teas, they're both really pleasant to drink. So that's what I've been having along with doing my keto plan. And they also sent me this tumbler, which you can get off their website as well. And it's actually quite good because it's got a drink, you can drink straight from it. It's got a strainer inside because you just put your tea leaves straight in there and then put in your boiling water, put your strainer on, and then you can drink it straight from the container itself. And also at the bottom here is a little compartment that you can put extra tea leaves in. So if you want an extra drink at work or on the go, you can put an extra serving of your tea leaves in there as well. So this has been really handy actually because I make my tea in the morning while I'm getting dressed and then I drink that on my way to work. So instead of having my Gloria Jean's coffee like I've been having before Christmas, I'm now having this, which yeah, it's really good. They've also sent me a discount code as well. So I'll leave their website details below and I will also include my discount code down below for you guys. So if you want to try them out, you can try them out for a lesser amount. And yeah. So this is our breakfast at lunchtime. Got a few scrambled eggs, some heated up avocado, which is probably not the healthiest looking avocado, but still tastes good, and some crispy bacon. So this will now definitely keep us going. Well, it'll keep me going until dinner time. The kids will probably still want something else in a couple of hours, but yeah, there you go. Keto friendly breakfast.
Calm down, I'm joking, Jesus.
So that's breakfast. Is it still early or is it nearly lunchtime? Oh God, no, this is brunch. It's 11:20. Oh well. There's my husband eating his, what do we call it? Breakfast of champions. How is it? Any good? Yeah, it's all right. Okay guys, time for the weigh-in. Let's see what's happened this week. Oh wow, okay. 113.5, that's roughly 3 kilos down, just under 3 kilos down. So yeah, I was pretty wrapped with that, 3 kilos in the first week. I mean, like it's always expected that you lose quite a bit in your first week because a lot of it's like extra fluid retention and that sort of thing. But no, I was quite surprised because the night before we actually had quite a lot of food, like a lot more than we normally have for dinner. And even we had dessert, like we had a heap of berries and strawberries and blackberries with some cream and that as well. So I have a feeling I might not have even been in ketosis after that because yeah, I probably had way more than I should have done. But yeah, no, I was really wrapped with that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I concentrated on showing you some breakfast ideas that I've been having throughout the week this week. And so next week's vlog, I will concentrate on a few lunch ideas, like on the go lunch ideas that you can have if you're working or on the go and that sort of thing. I've been reading all of your comments on my first video and I'm so happy, and I can't thank you guys enough for all your encouragement. And what's most encouraging is hearing that a lot of you guys have also started this keto journey and have had some fantastic results on it. So I'm really looking forward to sharing this journey with you guys as well. And for anyone starting out, we can do it together. Let's do it. 3 kilos down, 50 to go. It's a start. It's a start. So yeah, I will sign off here, guys, and I will see you all next week. Thanks for watching.